Hello dear friends of the folded sheet, I'm Tevin from Tevin's Origami Instructions, and today I'll show you how to fold the traditional water bomb from the Waterbomb Base. It's quite easy to do. You just need a square sheet of paper. Any paper will do, not TP, but everything else. Let's get right at it and start folding. If your sheet has two colors like mine, start with the white side up and fold both diagonals. Make those nice and precise because those are the base for everything else. So take your time, maybe even stop the video if you have to. Then when you're done, make the color side up and fold the paper in half, corner to corner, edge to edge. Then unfold with the white side up, push in the center, and now bring those points here down in the air. Use your both hands. Then hold them both down and then push down like this and flatten it. That is already called the Waterbomb Base. But we need to do something more. We fold the top flap upwards like this, and then we fold the corner in like that and fold the tip down in half. Then that new corner with the several layers we put in this pocket here. We need to open that pocket first and then push it in. I will show you up close once more and an alternative if you're struggling to put it into the corner, into the pocket like I do. So once more up close, you fold up like this. Then you take that 90-degree corner and fold it towards the center. Then you take the tip up here and bring it down, just straight down, and then there's the pocket you want to put that into. And as you can see, I'm also having a hard time putting it in there, but this is a nice, close and secure lock. And if you don't feel like going through all that hassle, there's an alternative that I'll show you with the back side. So turn it over and just do the same steps all over again. So fold up the corner, then the new corner inside, and then just take the tip right away and put it inside that pocket. And the same thing on the other side. So you can either do the strong lock or the weaker lock that I'm doing right now. It really doesn't matter, it's up to you what you prefer. And then you can tuck it in. And after you're done tugging all those corners in and strengthening them, fold down the tip and the bottom. Strong folds because a lot of layers. Then flip over so the pockets are hidden. Puff in air here with one strong puff. Then it looks like this. You can arrange the folds a little more nicely to use it as a cube, or even put water in there and use it as a water bomb. It does actually work. I hope you enjoyed this model. If you want to, you can download at the annotation the diagram, or just look at other videos that are shown right now. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave me a comment if you like this, if the diagrams have been useful. See you next time. Bye bye.